Hey, good morning, everyone. I want to show you how to use the TrickTrades trading room. So we just got a new chat service that's completely based around trading and stocks. I love it. I think it's it's super cool. There's so many stock related features. Like you could literally spend hours in here just messing around with stuff. So I'm going to go through them. I'm going to show you how to use this, and we'll get into it. So right on the left hand side, you have your the room you're in, your little settings area. You can set it for online, away, busy, your preferences. You won't be able to change your name, so don't bother. Notifications is how you turn off and on your notifications. Please keep this admins, instructors, and moderators on. I would really prefer that you did, so then I can get information out to you. Block and mute. Advanced, accept direct messages from free users, that's fine. So then we have, just below that, we have all of the rooms. Oh, actually, if you go to profile, upload avatar, you'll be able to change your avatar. I better tell you that. So then we have the different rooms. So far, there's just a few, just kind of building this right now. We'll do the switch right away. So the TrickTrades trading room. This is the main chat room where all the business gets handled. Underneath we have signals, just for some alerts. Haven't looked too much into this. Special announcements. This is where I'm going to be posting all the special announcements. Please keep this area free. No back and forth. I'm just going to be posting so then you guys can see what's up. Direct messages, our users. You can hide the offline and online. Now for the cool stuff. So, and then the chat works, basically the same as any other chat. This is a pretty cool feature. You can put in what your what your trade is. So let's say you were to short sell uh, dries. Entry, I don't even know what dries is at. I think just under 4. 350. Comment. Short. And then publish, and you see it pops up. So that's pretty cool. I can start showing you guys, and these will be my entries. So now for the cool stuff. So this dashboard, I don't think you're gonna have it. That's just for me to handle the back office end of it. Broadcast. I can screen share out of here. We will not be screen sharing out of this because I can't figure out how to get 2 microphones going for a moderator or anyone else that I want to bring in. So as of right now, we're still going to be using Zoom. I'll still post the link, and I'll have the screen share link in here. Sorry, on in a specific room for it. Charts. Now, when you pop up the charts, you can type in whatever chart you want. So there you go. You got the 1 hour. You can choose the 1 day, the month, the week. You can fine tune it too, right? The 1 minute, right? So there's that. Don't ask me why I keep picking dries. Probably because it's like 5 in the morning, and it's the only stock that I think is on everyone's mind at 24/7. At how fucking stupid it is. So there's that, and this is really cool. You guys are gonna like this screener. So as soon as you come into it, it may show that stocks are highlighted, but it's not. So just click on it. So now you have your top gainers. Okay. Now here's the thing. Go over to that area and put your filters in, and you can filter it like like a stock screener. Look at all that. All sorts of stuff that you can get into, right? So tons and tons and tons of filters, basically any filter you could possibly think of, right? I just want to show you all the filters. Pretty cool, really cool. Um, and you can go by descriptive, fundamental, technical. And so you can, I mean, that's all of them. So you can really tweak up and build yourself a personalized scanner. That's really really cool. Uh, all sorts of stuff you can do, guys. Jesus, it's a full blown scanner right at your fingertips. So there's that. This data flash. Now I don't understand it 100%. I don't really know what all this is. But the one thing I did notice on it is either the calendar for the economic events, that's useful, or the headlines. And this will be like a Twitter feed that you're able to pop out, right? So that's pretty cool. Um, you can do all sorts of stuff with it, right? I think you can. Let's see. Okay, no, that pops it out on Twitter. Okay, that's all right. So that's I don't know if you guys just heard that. I don't know if I have my system audio on or not. Um, basically, um, right here. Okay, because sorry, I know I'm all over the place here, guys. So, directory, that turns your directory off and on. Widgets, that'll get your widgets up or off. Okay. Now we'll get into the widgets. Yeah, there's more, guys. There's more. So your calendar, it's an economic calendar. Um, I wish you could filter just for American um, stuff, but that's okay. Here's another stock screener, but this stock screener, now this is actually really cool because you can look up the company name, right? So there we go. So you search for the company name up here. Let's hit NVIDIA. You'll have to click on it, okay? So NVIDIA comes up. You got the daily chart, the price, all that information. You scroll down now. You can scroll back and forth on the chart here and grab it and move it, okay? Scroll down. You got your company information, the company website, all of the, excuse me, the information. So you got shares outstanding, public float, all that jazz, market cap. Now the news. Now that's cool, guys. So basically, you've got a company news service. Like some of you may take that for granted. Like some brokers don't give you a free news scanner or anything like that, or news information. So I think that's really cool. So you'll have the company's information right there with all of its news. Futures, this don't disregard this, guys. This will let you know what the futures are doing first thing in the morning, like the indices, the financials. This will tell you what's hot and what's dying first thing in the morning, right? So that's really cool. We got another economic calendar. I put this one in because this one just looked a little bit better. I'll clean up all these widgets and we'll get rid of the ones that we're not using. So this market movers. We got our gainers, our active, and our losers. So let's go to gainers. You'll get your top gainers of the day. It kind of gives you a quick overview um, of what's hot. Very similar to this screener, but this just kind of gives you just the gainers. Now, market overview um, as well. Equities, this will give you your top 10, right? Commodities will let you know what's hot out there. So this talking Twitter, this is cool, guys. Okay, so this right here, Because you'll notice when you turn this on, as soon as you click on it, this thing's going to start yakking at you once these pop up. So you got all of your news services from Twitter, right? So you'll never miss anything. Now you can turn some off and on, because I turned off all the Forex ones, because I don't need a bunch of Forex shit, right? So you just click on those, get your Wall Street Journal, you got all that. CoinDesk, crypto coin news. You can turn all this jazz off if you want, right? Might need leave one on. So you got all that taken care of. Now this bell notification, it's a mute and unmute. So when it's on, these, when they pop up, it'll read the tweet out to you out loud. So if that gets annoying, just turn that off. Okay, there's FX quotes, like Forex quotes. Here's your indices, right? This will tell you what all of the markets are doing, commodities, what's hot there. Sorry guys. And for you degenerates out there, you got a StockTwits feed right there at your fingertips. So really cool stuff. Big things coming with TrickTrades, like I promised you. It's only going to get bigger and better from here. So really excited to bring it to you. Right on, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. Hope you guys enjoy it.